Okay, so as I mentioned, I'm very happy to have the studying experience in Japan 8 years ago. So totally, I had stayed in Japan for 15 years, almost 15 years, from my the master's degree to PhD, and then I had been the assistant professor in Tokyo Institute of Technology for almost 6 years. Then I moved to Yokohama National University in the School of Engineering as an associate professor for almost 4 years. Then I had a good chance to come back to China to join the Tsinghua University, Tsinghua聖華大学の昔の発音ですね。So this is a top one science and technology university in China. So I'm very happy to have my own laboratory in this university. So my background is the biochemical engineering. So today I'm very glad to give some talk in this lecture to introduce the the biochemical engineering for the clean processes and the environment protection. 日本語では一応グリーンプロセスと環境保全のための大きいタイトルですね。生物学工学上論ということで、my Chinese pronunciation of my name is Xing Hui Xing, but in Japan it's Kei Xing Kai. So there's a very interesting story. Now it's Professor Okura in Tokyo Institute of Technology, who is my good friend. Now he's vice president of that university. So he ever visited me, and at that moment I was not in my office. So he called my student to say, where is Professor K? So now no one of my students could understand the Japanese K. So they said, no, there's no such professor here. So very interesting story. So then he changed the pronunciation. Xing. Oh, my student. Oh, it's my boss. Okay. Anyway, Xing. So my topics, my talk will include the following contents. The first one will be the give some. I think all of you are from the biological sciences department, so it's very not necessary to give the details about the microbes in human civilization. It's a very big title. Anyway, I think that we just through this kind of summary to see what we have known about the microbes or the microbiology during the human civilization. The second one, I will just give some brief introduction about biotechnology in the science and technology. I think I just focus on what kind of big events which have happened during the past 200 years. And then I just give some introduction about basic concepts related to the biotechnology. And then the final part, I will give us some introduction about the biochemical engineering and its role for the society. So this is the main part. I think everyone knows this story, the Earth and life. So nowadays, I think this process is Japanese. This process has already been well estimated. Maybe from the 4.6 billion years ago, it's a big bang. It's an explosion of the Earth. Then after that, gradually it become the mild condition and the not so high temperature, not so low temperature, and also the atmospheric condition is a suitable environment for the life. So then the life comes out. So till today. So as you know, I think the some very important data will be one is the Earth age, as mentioned, is 4.6 billion years ago the Earth formed. And then the primitive life was estimated to be the 3.8 billion years. And also then the most oldest life, the bacteria, were born before 3 billion years ago. Then for the human, I think there are many estimations. Anyway, someone says there's 2.5 million years ago, the human came out. 250万年前ですね。でもテキストの中には25万年と書いてるテキストもあります。最近だんだん長くなりますね、その歴史が。So this is, I think, this is a very, as we can see from these figures, we can clearly see that the bacteria or the microbes are the oldest life on the Earth. I think this is one very important point. So another question is what will be the possible space for the life? So I mean, how high or how deep in the sea, and how wide. So on the Earth, everywhere you can find some microbes. So what will be the possible, the range of the space for the life? 想像できますか? Who can answer this simple question or this complicated question? 手を挙げてください。どうですか? So I think there's also some not so correct data, but anyway, this is from one textbook. You can see the Chinese. I just gave Chinese here. The Chinese is very close to Japanese. We just only use the Chinese characters without the hiragana or katakana. So sometimes it's for Japanese people, when you go to China, everywhere is just the Chinese characters. But recently, also the English or the other the foreign language words. Anyway, the Chinese characters are tools. So this one is the 地面以上のですね、12キロの対流圏。So this is 12 kilometers from the surface of the Earth. Within the conversion cell, we can find a lot of the bacteria or the microbes. And also inside the sea, the ocean, with the average deepness of 3,730 meters. Recently, the the ocean or multiple sea, we can find the very interesting the microorganisms. And also the land with the average heights of 840 meters. So this is now this is some summary about the possible life which can be found around the Earth. I think this is a very important resource for the human being.